If you're experiencing a server timeout issue in PUBG, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve any temporary issues causing the timeout. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure your PUBG game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as updates often fix bugs and improve server connectivity. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the server timeout issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue in PUBG. If problems continue, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.